Yep. You can see my screen now, Ba?
Yes.
Okay, good. Yeah, so this is where we are. So I was talking about breaker block. So this kind of entry, you can catch it too, but if you no catch am, no wahala, you can leave am. What I was talking about is that this is a level of this is a level that price came, and you can find out that this level is like a support, is a resistance level that was broken before, and it's now acting like a support. You get exactly. So you can catch, and you can see that this is the center point, and you can see that price did not even tag me, but because of how I trade, I was able to catch this kind of entry because I got a confirmation on lower time frame. So that was why I caught this kind of entry. But normally I was not tagged. But now above it we have another block here. This was another block here. That was on Friday. We had this other block here on Friday. So normally from this other block, my entry is supposed to be from this center point here. So you can see how price reacted from there. You can see that I was even tagged. So how do you mean I
Yes.
push this guy above? Let me see if I can unlock it. My 20 pips is not even up to 20 pips. So I have
Don't
10.
move it to.
No, I just want to back test this on this because I did not test it on USD on AUD USD. It was on Euro USD that I tested this thing I'm telling you now. So let me know why it will work out here. So now this is the target. So let's see what happened here on that was on Monday. Yeah, that was on Monday, and this happened during Asian section. So let's see what happened when this guy came into market. So now it started selling. It started was selling, and before the market left this other block again here, this is another block, and then price left this other block here, which we can as well sell from. So in our market is now market pushed off and was not able to break this high. So there's possibility that market will push down. So what you need to understand is that this price market, if you understand structure very well, you'll be able to predict what will happen next. Normally, we have been very bullish on this market and pushing up. And after this inducement was taken, price came down, the market came down, and I started to push up. Everybody was thinking that, oh,
Yes.
it's going to
To
continue
continue
being
up.
bullish. Exactly. So it failed to break this high. So what happened is that this high now has become a very protected high. So a lot of investors and hedge funds and a lot of big guys are holding this high from price from going above it. So they are going to trade this leg. So before this high will break in, probably because of news, or maybe they are done trading this leg, they cannot break it.
If
So
you look at this leg up, you see that there's other block up.
is it on this pair?
Check.
Okay, let me
Open
reduce.
that this thing.
Let me check. Okay, yes. A lot of them up. Yeah, that's it.
You
So
see that there are plenty. So this thing, they confuse me well. By the time I
exactly,
look,
exactly. So just
I'll come they
focus. No,
confuse.
don't focus. Just focus on your trading leg. Forget about what's happening there. Focus on your trading leg. Focus on your trading leg. Focus on your trading leg. Like Harimi, you told I'm not even aware. I don't even know because you don't have to look at those things. Just focus on your trading leg. When price is ready to get there, it will get there. So when it even get there, you don't even know. So just focus on your trading leg. Do you get? Now price now. This is where is my other block here again. Now there's another block here again. Now you can see that I'm buying from this level. Normally I'm not even supposed to buy from this level, but I'm already buying from this level. If you look at this guy now, you can see that it shows that there's another block here, and it shows that this guy is another block. But this kind of other block, I will just choose this. Since we have a lot of imbalance or fair value gap, I will choose this bigger candle as my other block. And you can see that price reacted from here, which I showed you guys. I showed you about what happened here.
Manipulated to drag
Exactly.
and go.
Exactly. So what I would do is that I watch how market to play. This is on Monday. So this is what happened on Monday. I even cut this entry because I did so let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Good. You can see that this particular trade was a successful trade.
Took you out.
It was this one was a
No, it
successful.
took you out.
I said this one
Uh,
was a successful trade. This one, it
yes,
took me out before going my direction, right?
yes.
Exactly. So now let's play it and let me show you why I said you should be taking the middle point as your entry. Let's play and see what happened here. It continued coming down. It didn't even go up again. It's still coming down. It's still coming down. It's still coming. It reacted from this. I don't even know why I marked this guy as an order block. Wait. I don't like this kind of order block. I don't even like this kind of order block. I don't even know why I took the trade. I don't like those kind of order block. But you see that I didn't mean I choose these center points.
Why did you say so?
It is not done in structure. Like it did not create any structure. This is just like an imbalance. This is just like a gap that market is trying to fill. It's not like an order block. You see, there's a difference between this type of order block and this type of order block. This one was in structure. This one was created in structure. See,
Yes,
we have a structure here. This was a structural
yes,
order block, but you can see this kind of order block. It just market was just falling down and it just created the C. You understand? So
yes,
I don't like this kind of order block. I don't even like trading them. I don't like trading them. Like this week, I will not trade them this week. If I see them, I will not. I'll base on this kind of order block. All this kind of structural. I see this kind of structural order block. Perfect. You understand? First of all, I went against my rule. How? I'm not supposed to be buying here. I'm supposed to be looking for sell from this level. I'm already buying here. Now, this was a structural order block which I'm even supposed to buy from. This is a structural order block. I'm supposed to buy from this. I'm supposed to sell from this level, right? This is a structural order block. So this is a structural order block. I'm supposed to sell from this level. I'm not supposed to buy from this level. I'm supposed to sell from this level. So we'll have 500 here, which is 50 pips. We'll have 200 here, which is what, 20 pips. So this is how the market is supposed to play normally based on this new update I'm telling you now. You understand what I'm talking about, Ba?
yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So I'm supposed to sell from here. I'm sorry. Let me just copy this guy instead of. I'm supposed to sell from this place because this is a structural order block. This is a structural order block. It came like this, coming down. So I can sell from there. And I'm not even interested in this kind of order block. The one I'm interested in, this one above here, this other block here. Consider how this tool is helping me to mark out. And consider that my swing high structure is the same swing high structure with the tool. So sometimes I like this tool. It gives me a lot of. And where is my swing low? Consider this is my swing low, the same place with them. So this is my swing low and it's the same level with their own software. So the software is a very good one. So let's see how price played here. You see it tagged me. You see it tagged me in Simba. It tagged
Mm-hmm.
me at that center point. Tagged me. Let's see what happened. This is a level can even have two stuff, but this is how it played out. Let's see what happened here. Now see what happened.
Always take you out, though.
Almost, but I'm very lucky that I placed it above. You can see, but it gave me another entry as well. It even gave me if you are very because this replay tool is moving very fast. If it's a normal market condition, it's not moving this kind of fast. So you even have opportunity to take entry here. Now there are two types of order block. There's an order block that has small body with big wick, and there's an order block that has big body with a small wick. So whenever you see an order block that has small body like this, let me just show you something. So whenever you see an order block that has small body like this, please include the wick, include the gap of the second candle. But whenever you see an order block that has, this one is also the same thing. This is a small body. Include include um include the fair value gap. Now this kind of order block, like this one now, let me see. Okay, like this is a good order block. I will show you. As see this kind of order block, you don't need to include the whole imbalance. You don't need to include the whole fair value gap of the second candle, because already this order block has a very big body. But if the other block has a very small body, include the fair value gap of the other second candle. So in this kind of scenario now, you can just take only the other block because the body is very big. But if the body is
Yeah.
very small, include like this kind of, I don't even know. I'm just trying to see the one to show you a sample. Like this one now, include the body of the second candle. Include this one because the body of this other block is very small.
Gotcha.
So you need to include the body of the second fair value gap. But if the body is very
Okay.
big, you don't need to do that. So you can note that down so that it will help you to trade. So what I will do is that I will copy this guy and then I'll put here. So let's see how this guy plays out again. Let me see what I'll be tagged. I was not tagged. So price started pushing down. And then we got another order block here again. This is another order block. And then you see how this other block that the body is very small. So I will include the gap that he left. So I will just include this kind of gap. And then I will sell from here because I'm selling because market is what in my premium level. So let's see what happens on the, remember I'm still holding this position. Then this one did not tag me. I was not tagged on this one. So let's see what happens. In fact, we even have another order block here again. This is another order
That,
block.
that one
Like,
is higher.
no, I mean this one. See this guy here. Wait, let me delete this guy. See this guy. It left. This guy left a small gap. Let me even
That thing is
use.
not that block.
There's a space in between. Except this guy have filled that space. I think this guy filled the space. Okay, I filled the space. Yeah, this candle filled the space. This small candle, it filled the space. So
That other there's an other
you say,
see where that small candle is there. That
here,
other block is there.
here, where?
So the small candle in front.
This one, bar.
Uh
You don't have business with this one. You cannot come and sell from here. No. This is a bullish order block. And you cannot buy. That was the mistake you are making. You cannot buy from here because it's in your premium level. This is a bullish order block. You cannot come and sell from here. No. That's the mistake you are making. Yes, it's an order block, but you cannot buy from here. In fact, it's not even a value order block because this last candle did not take out it did not take out the low of this candle. So this is not even a value order block.
okay.
You see, so it's not even valid. You see how the candle close. So this is the order block. Is this huge record? So that was the mistake you're making. You're not supposed to do that. So this is where you're supposed to buy from. In fact, this is the only place you can actually buy from. So let's look at what happened. This is on Wednesday. Let's see what happened on Wednesday. Now I was not tagged. So this is the only trade that went through. I was not tagged
You may be
here.
tagged. It's better to just leave that this thing open.
So I was not tagged here, provided that you have hit your take profit level and price has gone to your discount level. This trade for now, you just leave them the way it is. So just leave it the way it is and all that. Do you get? So now you now start looking for area of interest around this place. Now where are the area of interest here? What do we have here? What do we have here? What do we have here? We have an order block here.
Mm-hmm.
So
All this old this other block where they break person heart.
you just mark them
You
out.
stay there 3 days.
You just mark them out. Then I mark this guy out. I don't even know why I mark it out, but I think I got this entry from. I think I marked it out. You can see that if you even do this thing center point, which is my entry, you can see that this is where I'm even supposed to enter this market. You can see how wonderful time. And if you are taking this kind of entries, but you go to sweet you for body, because you go to get sharp entries, sharp entries. Now let's look at what happened here. Let's look at what happened here. This is what happened here. You can see there was nothing here, nothing there. Everything was mitigated, nothing there here, nothing there. The only one we have here is just this guy. That's all. So nothing there for here. So this is the only thing we have here. And I don't even know. Okay, probably market bro. So I don't know why I mark this as my low. So this is what we have here. So here now we got this entry. This one was a mistake, which I left as at break even, because when I was tagged here, price moved at least 20 pips in my direction. 18, 19, 20, 30. There's no way I can lose this trade. I'll just get 20 pips. I'm already at break even. So I was tagged on this trade. Almost took me out, but I was saved. On this trade, I was not tagged. And then this one too, I was not tagged.
23
Yeah.
tagged in.
You say?
So how will you, if this trade would have taken this trade, right?
Yes.
You understand?
You say what?
This point you just calculated and say this 20 pips you would have taken the trade.
Yeah, I said 20, if price move 20 pips in my direction, I'll move my stop loss to break even.
So now in okay, I
That's
understand.
risk management. Oh, don't joke with risk management.
Okay.
Don't joke with.
Okay.
So if price move 20 pips in your direction, move your stop loss to break even. If the market is
Okay.
coming back to that place, just know that that trade is not going to hold. It's going to hit your stop loss. So what's the essence of which one is better? Is it hitting stop loss or taking a break even? It's better you
Take
just leave that. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what market to create a single candle order block mitigation. Let's see what will happen here. I think he created something here. Yeah, he created something. He created a single candle order block mitigation here. But I
you
don't know if
cannot call it yet though because they have not closed. The second candle atoka. It have created new structure.
now if you do not even enter here, there's another entry again, which is on this candle again. You can see that what happened here was the market created this. You saw what happened here, right? So even if you did not enter on this first one, you can enter on this second one. You can enter on this second one. So have um 20 pips, um 2.5 as 550 pips. So even if you did not enter on this first one, which in fact I was even tagged very well on this one tagged me sharp tagging. As if a company say they wait for me, as he tag me just dey go in place say
But
a company say
yeah, that's true.
a company say they wait for me to come. So that was what happened here.
And this
Let's
one
see.
is 1 hour time.
Exactly. So you don't have business with all those confirmation, blah blah blah. 1 minute, please. Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so you don't have business with just focus on 1 hour and 4 hour structure. That's all. You don't have business with all those confirmation. You can see how we are picking this trade now, and it's going and going and going. So even here, self, I cannot lose this trade because this trade I moved 20 pips in my direction. So I'm already at break even. If it takes me out, fine. It came back again, took me out, which was a break even trade because if you move price moves from here, we have 17, 18, 19, 20, 30. In fact, I for even end here with small profit sef, small profit before I left here. So that was what happened on this trade, these two trade. Now price started to push down. That was those trade we are catching that time. We are catching. Started to push down, and then started pushing up, and then he left this other block here again. I can take this other block. Let's see what happens. I was not even tagged. Started pushing up. Created another other block here. I think this is the present condition of the market now. This was on Friday, bar. So
Yes.
this is where the
But
market. So this is where the market is
have
right.
not closed. Oh.
Yeah. So this is where the market closed on Friday.
Yes, 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 yes.
So this is where we are right
Market
now.
post open.
Yeah. So I don't even know why I'm at this thing. This is not my low. So now, what are we looking at? What are we looking at? What are we looking at AUD this week? I'm expecting price. I'm expecting the market to push to this level, because if you look at this guy now, there's
To
another
which
block.
level?
This other block here.
I'm currently trading this thing that you're talking about. Too.
Yeah, so you need to look at your entries now, because market is at discount level. So there's possibility that it may come down to this level. There's possibility that it will come down here. In fact, these guys are not. I'm not even sure these guys are going to hold, because first of all, this is not even a structural. It's not a structural order block. It's not a
I
structural
don't
order
think it
block.
will come down.
It's not a structural order block. So look at what market is going to do. This is what price is going to do. We have a lot of unfinished business, both above and below. Now, price created. This is not even an order block. It was even mitigated. The only other block that is valid here is this guy, because first of all, this other block, except you can just this we have a small gap here, which markets can come and fill. Markets can come and fill this small gap here. So, and that is, and you can see that price has also broken structure here, because you can see that it broke this internal structure here.
Yes.
So it's coming to this point. So I'll be looking to sell from here. So I'll be looking to sell from this level, hoping that I'll be tagged. So I'll be looking to sell from this level. So you need to look at structure, what structure is talking about. So I'm looking to sell from this level, and then before that, a lot of things happened here. We had so many momentum here. So there's possibility that price will come to this level before going up and targeting that level. There's possibility that to come here. So you need to also look at what is happening. So it's either price. We also have something above here. So there are two levels here, and then we have this guy which
In
has
fact, the
taken
levels
inter. So when you are trade
plenty. Oh.
when
If
you
you look up, if you
when,
trace it up,
focus on your trading leg, as I told you. Don't
by
look
the
at
time
those ones. Just focus on your trading leg we have is here and down. That's all we have for now. Focus on your trading leg. Don't look at those places. They are not your trading leg. When price comes here, it will create a new order block to even trade from. You can see what price have been doing. It was creating new
okay.
ones and trading from. So focus on your trading leg. I'll keep telling you this. So now, this is what we have on this trading leg right now. This is all we have. I can see what price is doing right now. It's doing something like this. Market is doing something like this. So this is what price is doing right now. So this is what price is doing right now. So if we break above this high, there's possibility that it will continue going up. But if we respect these highs, this high and this high, there's possibility that it will come to this level. So if you're holding your sell position, you can hold your sell position and then add another sell if you come to this level. If you see a confirmation on this level, you can add. um so I'll be looking to trade from this level by tomorrow or next.
That says
Price
it has even created inducement there, sir.
TJ,
in lower time frame.
which inducement are you talking about? This is not what I taught you. You are talking about this inducement. Inducement. I'm not reading that strategy again. I'm not reading that strategy again. As you talk this
That
thing, I
one
dey
don't
look
enter
you.
my blood.
I'm not dey trade that strategy again. Go through that note I sent to you. That notion note I sent to you. It's only one inducement. It's only one inducement. It's only one inducement. This is the only inducement you are trading from. Oh, this one is the only inducement we need. This is the confirmation that price is about to trade within this leg. So the only thing you can look for is probably since we are now pushing up, maybe you can wait for market to break below and then enter. Those ones are just lower time frame confirmation, which I'm not ready to teach you now because it confuse you. So focus on these other blocks and trade from them. You can see that this is my 50% level. This is the area I need to sell from. Don't look at all those things. I'm not reading that strategy again. No, so
Okay.
you're on your own. No, so that is it. So follow the instruction and you'll be
Okay. Okay.
profitable.
Okay. Okay.
So this is what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for on
Okay.
AUD. And if you are very observant, you find out that AUD USD and Euro USD have the same price movement. So let's look at I've talked about AUD USD. We have analyzed it. So I'm looking to sell from this level. If this one got violated, I will sell from this level. Then if this guy got valuated, I'll do what? I'll sell from this level. But before price will come to this level, it has created new other blocks. It has created new what? Other blocks which we can as well.
Opportunities.
Exactly, you can see what price was doing. It was creating new opportunities which we can capitalize on. So that is what I'm looking at from this level. And this one is for me to do what? To buy from. I can buy from this level and all that. So I'm looking to sell from here by market opens. Now let's look at USD card. Let's look at USD card. Now USD card is what we have on Thursday. On on Monday, this is what we had on Monday. So I caught all these entries, but I made a lot of mistakes, which I've already cleaned some of them. I caught this entry that was on this was on Friday. So I was on this trade on Friday. In fact, um this trade took me to the next week, which is this week they just ended. So I had the trade overnight. So I'm trying to delete all of this because this since I don't like all these kind of things on my chart. I like my chart to be very clean and neat so I can see what I'm doing very well. So this was what happened, that we can see that this was an order block. This was an order block. You can see that this order block, the body is very small. So since the body is very small, what do? I I also extend it to the what? I extend it to the what? To the fair value gap. So had it been I entered on this level, I would have gotten a very beautiful entry from here. Very beautiful. In fact, for tag me and then moved up. But that was how I caught this entry on. That was on Friday, and then on Monday price gave me another order block here again, which I entered
Mhm.
again. So I added to this position on Monday 2.0. Then this was a mistake. Now why I say you should stop looking for lower time frame. Even this trade was lower time frame trade. All these things are mistake. I'm not even going because it will give you profit, but the profit is not sustainable. Along the line, you start losing a lot of trade because price will
It's
also
not
try to
reliable at all.
is going to mitigate the higher time frame before your lower time frame. So you can see another block on lower time frame. You don't know that there's a bigger other block that is in higher time frame that price is going to mitigate first before even looking at your own. So this was a mistake I
Yes.
was making on this trade. In fact, I can see that this trade it was just a mistake because there's nothing here in higher. There's nothing here in 1 hour. This is not a valid order block, but I took the trade. But fortunately for me, it was a win, but it was a mistake I'm not supposed to do. Now this was an order block. Price came here, tag at the middle point, and then it was a success. Now price also left an order block here again, which it has not returned to right now. Now here, this was also a mistake. I'm not supposed to buy from here. First of all, I have my equilibrium level, which I am trading from. You can see that this is the high of this price structure. So from my high points to my low, I'm sorry,
Reduce am small.
From my high point to my low point. This is my low point. So here is my 50%. This is my equilibrium level. This is my 50% level.
Change it to that this thing.
This is my 50% level, center point. So I will delete my Fibonacci. So this is my 50% level. So now, yeah, I'm supposed to buy, but this is a very, look at this kind of trade. You can see this is a very big mistake. I was trying, because price is moving small, small. So I was trying to catch all the pips.
Yeah,
So it was a
it's
mistake.
dangerous.
I'm not supposed to trade from the, and I forgot that, first of all, I forgot that, okay, fine, there is no, this is the only order block here. This is the only order block. You can see I forgot this order block, which I'm even supposed to trade from. I don't know if this thing hit my stop loss or even,
There was news. This news was around 7 p.m.
yes, I know I told you that fundamentals, that's of where the liquidity for us to move from. So news will come and give us the volume we need for us to trade. So had it been I enter this trade from here, and then my stop loss is I see my screen.
Yes, yes.
Let's say I cut this entry based on this other block.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say my stop loss is 200 pips and my target
You could
is,
come out you.
let me see whether it come out. You know come out me now. You know come out me. See how,
Yeah, yeah, not true. Not true.
you see. So
But man, see
patient always wins.
whether
Patient will
that
always
man
win.
take him up, man, like you.
Sharp, sharp entry. You see, patient, and that other block was created during. You see that market will create an order block during SR session, and
How
it's,
many hours? We can see how many hours it take this.
no, I'm trying to say something now. Price will create, it will create order block during Asian session.
Shit.
Then it will come to London session and take it out. You see, this was created during Asian session.
Guy, but that thing is dangerous.
No, it's not dangerous. It's the best. It's the best because these are orders that need to be filled. It's even the best. So whenever you come to the chart on London session, look at the Asian session. If there was an order block that was created during those period, those are your main targets. Those are your main targets, because price will come and mitigate them and go to their direction. It was during this London session that price came, and then what happened? These guys came to the market. New York came and pushed the price down. That's their work. They always go negative way. So now it should have been a very sweet entry here, but it was a mistake. I not take and see you are going to take trade. So
Nah,
now
lesson. Nah.
So now this is another block again that price left. You see how price left this other block, right? Now,
Yes.
since it left this other block and left small gap here, I might have covered this gap a little bit up. Let me see what happens here. Let me just use this guy entry. You can see I was tagged, but I entered a little bit early. I entered around this place. I entered very early. You understand? So I mean I pushed a little bit down. Probably I've gotten a very good entry here. So
Sharp one.
I entered around this place. So that was just it. But all good. I caught all this entry, and it was wonderful. It was wonderful. So now this is gone. And the price left another order block here. So which I can now close this gap and then target it. So I'm still waiting for price. You see where price is right now. So there's possibility that it will come down here. It can even get to this level. So even this might, that's how I was telling you, I'll get to that point. You are saying you are selling. I say you're supposed to sell from the high and take profit. And so now this was on Wednesday. Card, Canadian dollar CPI news came out, and then
Yeah.
we had I had this entry, I had this other block here. Now because price created this gap, left this gap, so I can extend it to this gap here. Now, hey, God have mercy. See
So
how, see
wait,
how, see how I'm supposed to enter. What?
what if, ba?
Mm.
I'm thinking. You market tag you into the trade, right? Then you come and set it. After you have get inside, you come and move your stop loss to
No, it's not advisable because of
20%.
it's not advisable because um you need to give room for price to move up and down. You get? You need to give room for price to move. Price will come up, go out.
Okay.
Sometimes if I don't even like to take there's some trade I caught. These two trades. You see this one and this one. My stop loss supposed to be $50 on this trade. My stop loss supposed to be $50 on this trade. But you can see what happened here because I have almost 90% confident that price will go up because price is bullish. So that was why I went off. I placed this trade. Then my stop loss was supposed to be what 20 pips, which was supposed to be here. 20,
Yes.
20 pips is around this place. Yeah, 20 pips around here.
Yes.
So when price was coming down, I extended my stop loss to this place because I know if we break this level, the next level we are coming is this level. So I can hold. Since I have small cash, I can hold a drawdown because I know definitely we are going up. So when price now started pushing up with this momentum, and I move my stop loss to this level. so
Okay.
so that was what happened.
But this
So
your strategy is
it's
dangerous,
very
man.
dangerous. So
It's not professional.
you know, it's for highly skilled traders. It's not for everybody, sha. But you can take a lot of loss. Like what I would do is that in this kind of trade, it's better for me to take the loss and re-enter at this level than for me to hold that drawdown, that dollars that I'm supposed to even
Mm.
instead of exiting at $50 and now exiting at $100. Is not a good wise decision. So it's better for you to take the loss and then re-enter at
I'm
it.
not going to
Had it mean I had this
try am.
trade, like you can see that we had an order block here and price did not tag that order block. It did not tag this one. Oh. This one was not tagged. Then we have another order block here, which is the one that was tagged. So had it mean I entered this trade here, which I'm even supposed to enter, but I was like, hi, are you sure price will reach here? That kind of mentality. And it's not even good. It comes from lack of patience. You see, very wonderful entry. Very sweet entry. Very sweet entry. I had another position here again, which I also entered here again. Because I took two trades. This is the first one and this is the second trade. I took this trade here again. I just added to the position. When I saw that it has closed above this guy, I entered another trade again with my stop loss. So it was two positions I had on this trade. So I maximized my profit. And what happened? Oh, it was a sweet win, sweet win. But in fact, this win really helped me last week. It was a very wonderful win for me. That was on Thursday. It was a wonderful win on Thursday. So on Friday, eh, after I had this win on that Thursday, you can see how we are picking this. Now, look at what happened now. Price has come to this other block. Remember what happened that this other block here, this is the other block, right? This is the other block, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, this other block
Time.
is that. So
Yeah.
when I saw your chart, you say you are selling. I say, let me see your plan because you are supposed to have a plan. You're supposed to trade based on your plan. As you're analyzing your chart, your journal is open. You are ticking all the boxes. Oh, and price at discount level. Oh, this is another block in H1. Oh, we have news, but you are ticking the boxes. So because in trading, we are not different from engineers. Okay, fine.
Okay, I'm supposed to
If
be
if you
buying
if you say
because it's
if you excuse me, if somebody wants you, if you meet an engineer now, you say, oh, I want you to build a 3-bedroom bungalow for me. And then the next morning, the person goes to site and start building. Are you going to be happy? No. You need to first of all see the building plan of the house. We need to see the location for the toilet, for the soakaway, for the electrical work. We need to see the building plan, the sitting room, the bedroom. We need to see the kitchen. We need to see the building
yes.
plan of the house before you start building. Because it is from the building plan that you know how to do what to build the house to your taste. It's the same thing with trading. You cannot trade
Yes.
without a plan. You have to plan your trade and trade your plan. As you have planned your trade, you do what? You trade your plan. That is trading. That is professional way of trading. So when you told me that you did not write it down, I was like, bros, this is not be wasting at teach you. And what's about trading is that you can be doing the wrong thing and be making profits. But whenever you start making losses, you will not know where your losses will start coming from because you'll be confused. You'll be like, oh, price is moving on, let me buy. Oh, it's moving down, let me sell. At the end of the day, you don't have enough money to trade again. Your money is gone because you are trading, you don't have a written strategy or a written plan you are following. You don't know when you're going to take profit. You don't know when you're going to exit the market. You don't have a plan. So you need to have your plan
Hello.
as you are trading. So your plan should be open as you're doing what?
Okay.
As you're doing what? As you're what? Trading. So that is it. Now, I got this win on Thursday. It was a very sharp. In fact, I was waiting for price to break above this resistance level because this is a very strong level. This level here, this is it. This level, I think it should be this level around this place. I was hoping that price could break around, yes, around this level because this level is like a very strong level. And I was very happy when price, because when I entered this trade around this place here, it got to this point. It started pushing down. I say I don't move my stop loss. I leave am. Like I started, let me just have confidence on this trade. When I open, in fact, I closed my laptop. I went out. So when I checked the chart, at least this candle was coming down. I said, no wahala, take me out, no problem. I was not surprised. My alarm, because I set around this place. I was not surprised that my alarm, I got an alert that price is here. I was like, wow, it was pushing it. So I started monitoring it. I monitored it too. In fact, I'm supposed to sell from here, but you can see that this is not even a valid. I can just mark all here because this is like another flow, but it was even mitigated. This is a week. This candle came back and closed itself. So that was what happened here. So I'm calling this a breaker block because the other block has even been failed. It has failed. Now, see what price did on that Friday, because I had an other block here. I had this other block here. This is another block I had. Normally this should be the other block. This is the other block here normally. This is the other block here normally. But this is an order flow. And before market can tap into an order block, it has to tap into what? An order flow. So this is an order flow. So this is the I heard this was on Wednesday last 2 weeks. So price traded and came to this level. You can see that it did not even tag. It did not even tag. It did not tag this POI. It came down. I caught this entry, but that Friday I was not around. I went to town. That was when you are calling me. I told you I would respond to you because I was in town, so I was not monitoring this trade. When I checked my trade around 1 o'clock, yeah, this is 1 o'clock candle. Are you hearing me?
Yes.
So when I check now I got this
Yes.
entry. How I got this entry is very simple. I caught this entry. Let me just move this guy a little bit back. See how I caught the entry here. This is another block here. So I caught this entry based on this other block. So I even covered this guy. So it was a very sharp entry. Very sharp, but I did not enter here. I entered here when I caught this confirmation. So price was above me, so I just put my entry below. I used a sell stop, so price triggered me in and started pushing down. So that's how I caught this entry here. But remember, this other block above has not been tagged. So There's possibility that. So now,
That
so
premium.
around that 1 o'clock, I was in town. In fact, I was actually in I was doing something in town. So I said, let me just check my chat, my phone, because I was with my phone. So when I check my phone, this 1 hour candle bar, I've already moved my stop loss to break even here when price got to 20 pips. So when I check my 1 hour, and when I check around 1 o'clock, I saw that this candle was pushing up, pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. I said, which one is better? Now, is it to exit at break even or to just exit at this small profit? I think I left this trade at, is it $14? I mean $9.
Maybe.
When I came back around 3 o'clock, Jesus guys, I said, hey, abeg, and it was on Friday. This market was just selling. In fact, I was just thinking that I was thinking that price will react from this level, this level that was broken. For where
Mm.
react anything, it pushed to push down. It was pushing down,
For
pushing
take
down.
profit though.
I for hit am, like I for hit am well well, like I for hit am well well. I know say you really cut the entry. I saw your entry, so fine. But I didn't mean you enter this place. This is where you're supposed to enter from. Here, you're supposed to enter from that level.
You
So I think we'll just
at previous time,
after
I
this
just
year,
left it.
yeah, after this USD card will end. So I think we have done justice to AUD USD card. So
Mm.
now this is the last. You see that this is the order block. This is the order block. Now this is not a valid order block. If you use this guide to say that this is not a valid order block. Why? Because this last candle did not take out the
It's
low.
not structure.
It did not take out the low of the order of this candle, so it's not a valid order block. It's not a valid order block. Had it mean this one closed above and this guy is the last one around taking it as order block. But we had
But if you took trade there,
no, it was this trade I took now, not this one. This one is for this guy. These ones are for
okay.
this order block. This order block. You can see this order block. This is a valid order block because this candle closed below this one. So it's a
Yes.
valid order block. So that's why I choose it. This one is another block, but it's too big. See, very, and it was even mitigated. It was too big, and my risk to reward will not even reach anywhere. So, but you can see that it was creating a kind of a structural liquidity. If you reduce this guy now, sorry, let me just check this guy. If you reduce this guy now, you can see that this low and this low, they are equal. So it's like a liquidity point is created, right? So price
Yes.
created this kind of liquidity points here.
Clean one.
So now that was why I
Even
said
down say
that was why I said I'm going to hold trade here, and I did not even enter on time because I was monitoring this trade on 1 minute time frame. I was
this
monitoring
trade
this
have
trade.
been in this trade since on Wednesday
So now
till now sef I exit.
exactly this, like I caught all these trades when I got to this level. This was on Wednesday. My Wednesday buy was sweet. It was a very sweet. In fact, I caught it was a sweet buy. So this is where I left the market. Now I'm supposed to sell from here, but I left market so early because I was not monitoring the chart. So now even this guy itself, I'm even supposed to enter from here. That's where I'm supposed to enter from. But I did not enter on time, so I entered around this place. So I'm on this trade now. In fact, market will open in the next 30 minutes. Market will open in the
Yes.
next 30 minutes. So I'm already on this trade now. So I don't even, in fact, if this market open, I might just close the trade because I might just leave it anyway. So I'll just leave it and see what happens. So where is our point of interest on this AUD card now? On this USD card, our point of interest here now is this order block here. So price might come to this level. Now I'm also having this other block here again. So price might still come a little bit down to this level again. So I'm going to look at these two levels here. Now, which other place do we have entry? Now, this is a very good order block. In fact, this kind of order block, it used to play out very well. This is a very good order block. Sometimes I normally include the fair value gap because the order block is very small, but I'll just look at how price move here. So this is a very good level to sell from. If price get to this level, you can sell from here down. Now another place we have again is what this one here. In fact, but I'll be more than likely to sell from here if price. So I'm already on this buy. I'm on this buy already. So I'm just holding this trade. So I'm holding this
Okay.
trade here. I'm already on the buy because I caught an entry here. So if you're on sell, I would suggest you take profit because market has already changed direction in lower time frame, like 1 minute or 5 minutes. So I'm also on this sell. I'm on this sell on USD Euro USD. I'm already on this sell. I'm already on this. I'm supposed to even enter market here. You can see, but this one
Yeah.
it was during my back test. Now next week review, I'll talk about back testing, how to do back testing, so you can learn all this in through back testing. It was when I was doing back test that's when I found out that market was reacting from the center point of the other block. I said, why can't they take trade from here? Why not take at the center so I can have a lot of
Profit.
profits? So, but I entered here. I think this is where markets. I'm still here, so I'm at 0 point something loss on this trade right now. So I'm also expecting market to also react from this order block here because this is an order block and it's a valid order block. Now this is an order block here. So I'm expecting that price will react from here. So if I'm selling, I'm taking profit around here. I'm waiting to see what market will do. And also I have a lot of things above. This is also an order block. Now this kind of order block, I don't even know because I'm even thinking probably it has mitigated or but I have this kind of order block. It used to confuse because we have a small and you can see that candle did not even take out anything. Okay, fine, you took out the other low. So I'll just take this guy as an order block. So if price push a little bit up, I'm more than likely to sell from this level. And then we also have an order block above here, which is the last one. This order block here. This is another block here. Because everything here has mitigated. So I caught this entry when price was coming down. So I caught this entry here. So now this is another block because that's the last for this kind of order block. I'll include the fair value gap. So this is another block. So I'm waiting for price. But this candle mitigated this other block now.
No,
Wait, okay, it
not
was
yet.
okay, not yet. It was
No,
not.
wait. Oh.
It did not. It was a candle that
It
formed the
has.
other
Oh.
block. We have to get 3 candles to form other block. We
Thank you.
need 3 candles. This is the one. This is the two. So it left a fair value gap between this candle and this candle. So this was a small gap that was left. This small gap. So this small gap it has not been filled. So this is a valid order block. So this is also another valid order block here. This is another valid order block here. In fact, I'm looking at this guy as an order block. So we have these order blocks above. But market is reacting from this level and I don't know why. But this is what, in fact, I called this entry. I was expecting market to go here, but when I saw what was happening on USD card, I called this entry on Euro USD. So as I was buying that guy on Thursday, I was selling this guy on Thursday. So that was what was happening that day on Thursday. So I was selling this guy on Thursday. I was buying because I was expecting market to come to this level. I was expecting markets. In fact, this is even an order block. So see me, oh, I don't know. Say this. Sometimes you have to enlarge the candle to see the order block very well. This is an order block. Oh, Kai, I didn't even know. A very sweet order block. Very sweet. This order block is not even valid, safe. This one is not even valid. This is not a valid order block, safe. This one is not even a valid order block. It's not even valid. The order block is not valid. So I'll just extend this one. Let's say this is the one I came again and reacted. So I'm going to sell from this level. I'm going to sell.
Okay.
So I'm going to sell from this level or this level, but I'm more than likely to sell from this level. I'm going to sell from this level. So There's possibility that market will push up, and then this guy is pushing up to this level. This guy is also pushing down to that level. This guy is also pushing down. It's also doing what? Sorry. This guy is also this guy is also pushing down to this level. So because this guy is doing opposite of what the other guy is doing. So that's what I'm going. So I'm going to monitor the two trade as market opens now. Monitor two of them and see if there's any changes. I'll just exit the trade and wait for tomorrow and see what happens tomorrow. So these are what we're looking at this week on USD card, AUD USD, and Euro USD. So I don't know if you have any questions because I'm about to end the section.
No,
Okay,
at the
so
moment I don't have question.
okay, so let's see how the market plays this week. Let's see how it plays, and then so whatever happens, we'll update ourselves and see how it goes. Okay. So also check the news
Okay.
again. We also have high impact news this week as well. This is the last week of the month, so we have a lot
Yes.
of things. And also there is something again you can also be doing. If you come to any pair, you can increase this guy up, push it a little bit up. Then you see a lot of comments. You see comments, you see news. So these are where you see what people are saying about the currency you are trading. They say dollar down on profit taking, bet upbeat outlook remains. Then if you want to see what other people are saying, you can see what people are saying here. They said a lot of people are having their, they say, hey, let's go folks. So you see what they are saying. This one is already selling. So this is their own analysis. If you come down and see what people are saying, my thoughts selling to 0.6600 first, blah blah blah. So these are their, you can see this one want to sell from this level.
Their own plot.
This is their own analysis. So people contribute the analysis. So you can look at what people are, whether people want to sell or whether they want to buy. That's what we call sentiment analysis. So this is what you can actually be doing whenever you are trading. Look at what people are saying. Look at what people are doing based on what you are trading. So it will also help you to build more
Okay.
confidence on your trading strategy. So that is all for now. So
Okay.
that will be all for now, brother.
Thank you. Well,
You're
so
welcome.
much.
So let's look at how it goes and then we'll go from there, okay?
All right.
Oh yeah,
All
now.
right.
Okay, now. Good night, eh? Greet your wife for
Good
me.
night.
Okay, man.
Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Thank you.